When you have played a game on Lichess and you click this button to request a computer analysis, have you ever thought about what happens in the background? If you think we are using a chess engine like Stockfish to analyze the game, you're right. But if you think that runs on Lichess servers, you're wrong, at least most of the time. Server-side computer analysis on Lichess is actually done by Lichess users donating some of their computing time. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do that too. So the first thing that you will need is an API key to connect to the analysis network. And you can get that by going to lichess.org/get-fishnet. And I'll put the link in the description. The fishnet, of course, because we have named the software and the analysis network after Stockfish. Now in this form, we'll ask you a few questions. You will answer them, and within a few days, depending on how busy we are, we'll give you an API key. Now the next thing you need to do is to install Python, since fishnet is a Python application. So if you don't have Python installed already, go to python.org/downloads, or you will find another way to install Python. When you have Python installed, as well as pip, the Python package manager, it's time to install fishnet. Now, if you are on Windows and you download Python from here, then pip will be included. So the next thing you do in order to install fishnet is to run pip install upgrade user fishnet. And as you see, I have already done that. After installing fishnet, the next step is to start fishnet. And you do that by running python-m fishnet-auto update. And when you do that for the first time, the software will ask you for different configuration options. But all the defaults are reasonable. So just to show you how easy it is, I will just hit enter to accept the default values, except for the API key, of course. So here I need to provide the API key that I have received from Lichess after filling out the form. So I will copy paste mine for demo purposes in here. And I'll write that configuration to file. Now Stockfish has started. Fishnet has requested games from Lichess that needs analysis. And I'm now analyzing multiple games at once. So if we wait for a second or two here, Fishnet will actually tell us how quickly we are analyzing these games. So here you can see that we are analyzing games at about 1 second per position. A whole game usually takes 50 to 1 minute, but of course this will depend on your CPU. Now, if you need your CPU power for something else, then you can just press Ctrl+C, and this will finish the games that are currently being analyzed, so that Lichess users don't get half-analyzed games. But just after a few seconds, Fishnet will exit. If you don't need the CPU power yourself, then of course we would encourage you to leave this running so that Lichess users can have their games analyzed quickly. And that's it for this time. I will include useful links in the description. See you in the next one.